Yo, so I've officially tapped into the whole Megan Thee Stallion, Tory Lanez trial, day 3, and man, this is getting really, really interesting. I'm so confused what's going on. At first I thought, I think Tory Lanez is innocent. But now I'm starting to think maybe Tory Lanez did shoot Megan Thee Stallion. I'm just gonna read this Twitter thread from No Jumper. Tory Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion, trial day 3. Kelsey Nicole takes a stand. Jury 38 was accused from the case. She was on one of the 2 black women on the case, and she was replaced by an alternative juror, 82. Juror 82 is a Palestinian male. Number 2, Kelsey walked in the courtroom with her lawyer. Her lawyer said she did not want to testify and wanted to evoke her Fifth Amendment. The prosecutors told the judge they'll offer her immunity for any and everything she says on the stand. Counsel approaches the bench. The immunity was granted and Kelsey took the stand. Kelsey testified that she did not want to be there, and the numerous lies Megan have told on her during this process have left her riddled with anxiety and trauma. She relied testifying today and was triggered with anxiety. Holy. Prosecutors asked Kelsey how she feels about the stories on social media that she shot Megan. Kelsey replied, "It's ridiculous anyone would think I shot Megan." Kelsey said Megan and her met Tory Lanez at Rock Nation brunch. She says Megan told her to pursue Tory Lanez. Damn, okay. I didn't know that part. Kelsey says she pursued more than a friendship with Tory Lanez and began an intimate relationship with Tory and Megan after she encouraged her to do so. However, when she caught COVID, she had to go back home to Texas for 2 months. While she was gone, Megan began sleeping with Tory Lanez as well. Kelsey stated when she got back to LA, she had no idea about the intimate relationship between Megan Thee Stallion and Tory Lanez. Kelsey said on July 11th, 2020, Kylie invited her to Megan to hang out. She was adamant that it was not a party. She corrected the court calling it a party. Number 9, Kelsey stated when she got to the party, Megan said she wanted to cool everyone with nachos, but no one really wanted nachos but Megan, and went to the kitchen anyways. Everyone left Megan and started playing beer pong. Megan left the kitchen and said, "Oh, you're having fun without me." Kelsey stated after a couple rounds of beer pong, she got drunk and went upstairs to take a nap. When she woke up, she came downstairs, and to her surprise, Megan invited Tory to come over. She seen Megan, Kylie, and Tory in the pool. At this time, Megan was drunk and obnoxious. Number 11, Kelsey testified. Megan's behavior began to intensify as Tory began to flirt with Kylie in front of her. Megan's behavior became too obnoxious that her and the stylist, EJ, urged her to let them take her home before she embarrassed herself further. Number 12, Kelsey stated Megan refused to leave with her and EJ wanted to leave to get together with Tory. EJ then told Kelsey to tell Megan her wig was coming loose and she needed to leave before she embarrassed herself. Megan agreed, but only if Tory left as well. Number 13, Tory told Megan to leave with Kelsey. His driver will take them home and he will link up with them later. Megan agreed. Only 6 people was at this get together. So Megan, Kelsey, EJ, and Tory security left the party and left Tory and Kylie Jenner alone together, so Megan was kind of upset. Kelsey testified. Megan did not want to leave Tory alone with Kylie at the house, so while Megan and her friend was driving home, she told the driver that she left a slipper and demanded the driver to take them back to Kylie's house. The driver complied. Kelsey testified when Megan and Kelsey got back to Kylie's house. Kelsey stayed in the car and went back to Kylie's house. What Megan saw when she entered into Kylie's house left her so upset that an intense argument erupted, and Kylie kicked her out of the house. Number 16, Kelsey testified that Megan ran out of Kylie's house screaming, "Bitch, Kylie told us to get the fuck out." Tory also left and joined them in the SUV. When Tory got in the SUV, Tory and Megan began to argue. Tory then exposed Megan for sleeping with him behind Kelsey's back. Kelsey testified after Tory exposed Megan for sleeping with him behind Kelsey's back. Megan turned to her and told her, "Don't listen to him, girl." Then turned to Tory and told him, "Why would you tell her that?" The prosecutor then asked Kelsey, "What else happened on the ride home?" Kelsey said, I don't know, we just argued, took jabs at each other. Then the prosecutor asked Kelsey, did Tory threaten to shoot you on the ride home? Kelsey went silent. And then Kelsey said, I don't remember. The prosecutor asked, did Tory threaten to shoot you on the ride home, Kelsey? Kelsey stated, I don't know. The prosecutor then reminded Kelsey. She confessed this when she was questioned by them 2 months ago in September. Kelsey evoked her Fifth Amendment rights. The prosecutor then pulled out Kelsey's statements and asked Kelsey, do you remember telling us Tory Lanez threatened to shoot you on the ride home? Kelsey replied, yes. Kelsey then asked the judge to speak to her lawyer. Kelsey was escorted outside to speak to her lawyer. 21. Kelsey came back in court and the prosecutor asked Kelsey again, when Tory threatened to shoot you, exactly what did Tory say? Kelsey asked the judge, do I have to answer that? The judge told her, yes. She invoked her fifth again. The judge then asked counsel to approach. Kelsey's counsel approached the bench with the prosecutor and defense attorney. They spoke for about 5 minutes. The judge paused court, sent everyone to recess to give Kelsey, her lawyer, time to talk. Man, this is wild, man. Now I really don't know if Tory Lanez shot Megan Thee Stallion. Like, I literally don't know. I guess we'll find out what happens later today. But I'm gonna drop this video, and yeah, it's just me reading about it because this is like all news to me, man. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm a Tory Lanez fan. There's definitely some songs I think are 10 out of 10. Megan Thee Stallion. You know, like I just like don't like the idea of just getting all these words because she maybe got shot by Tory Lanez. You know what I mean? So I really don't know who I believe of this at this point. But let me know in the comments. Who do you think? Like, what do you think is gonna happen in this case? Do you think Tory Lanez is innocent, guilty? Let me know in the comments. Like this video.